by the following formula. D square v upon dx square plus 2 upon u du upon dx plus p into dv upon dx equal to r upon e. In this working method, there are two steps. First, we find the u by inspection, and b we find the by this formula. After these, putting these values in this complete solution y equal to u into b, so we get the required solution. U is in this questions, u is given that u equal to e to the power x. So now you find v. V is find. So to find v by the formula of d square v upon dx square plus 2 upon u du upon dx plus p dv upon dx equal to r upon u. Now you have to put the values, all values of given, that is 2 upon u. What value of u? U, that is e to the power x. Du upon dx. U is given. So here we find du upon dx, that is e to the power x. So put all these values in these equations. D square v upon dx square, 2 upon u, that is e to the power x, or du upon dx e to the power x plus p. What value of p? P, that is minus 2 or minus 2y x into dv upon dx equal to r. That means 1 minus 2x e to the power x r upon u. U, that is e to the power x. E to the power x cancel. Here also e to the power x cancel. So we get d square v upon dx square minus 2 upon x. 2 is also cancelled. So that is dv upon dx equal to 1 minus 2y e to the power x cancel. So that is 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. So we got only 2y x into dv upon equal to 1 minus 2y x. So that is d square v upon dx square minus 2 upon x dv upon dx equal to 1 minus 2y. Always, here we put always or a fix. Here we put dv upon dx equal to t. Always here we put fix, that is dv upon dx equal to t. After differentiation or differentiate this with respect to x, find d square v upon dx square. Now differentiate with respect to x. So d square v upon dx square equal to dd upon dx. Putting all these values in this equation, it becomes dt upon dx minus 2 upon x into t equal to 1 minus 2y, which is a linear differential equation. That is the first topic of differential equation. Linear differential equation. Find in t, that is a linear differential equation in t, because there are t, so that is a linear differential equation in t. Find its solution. Find its solution. So these are the two steps. First you find the integrating factor, then find its complete solution. Integrating factor, if e to the power p dx. Here p
minus 2x
minus
2 by x
2 by x dx. E to the power minus 2 log x. That is e to the power log x to the power minus 2. Log or anti-log adjust. So it becomes only x to the power or
1 by x
1 by x square. Number 3. So complete solution of 3. Complete solution of 3. That is y into if, but here t into if. T into if equal to q into if into dx plus c. The other two steps. First we find the integrating factor, then find the complete solution of equation 3, for which applying the formula t into if equal to q into if dx plus c. So now putting all these values here, that is t into if that is 1 by, here q that is 1 minus 2 by x into if means that is 1 upon plus c plus c. So now after integration, that is t upon x square multiplying by 1 by x square in this brackets, that is 1 upon x square minus 2 upon x cube dx or plus c. Now integral of x की power minus 2, that is x की power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, that is x की power minus 1 upon minus 1. So that is x की power minus 1 upon minus 2, x की power minus 3, integral of x की power minus 3, that is minus 3 plus 1, that is x की power minus 2 upon minus 2 plus 3. So 2 to cancel, that is minus 1 by x, or that is minus plus 1 upon x square and plus c, or that is t upon
x square
x square. Now after cross multiplication, t becomes minus x plus 1 or plus cx square. So that is a complete solution of equation 3. But here we find the complete solution of equation 1. So now return the value of t. What is the value of t?
dv by
The value of
dx
t, that is dv by dx. So here we replace the value of dv by dx by t, dv upon dx equal to minus x plus 1 plus cx square. It becomes a variable separation form.
yes sir
Separate the variable. Variable separation form, that means dv equal to minus x plus 1 plus
dx square
into dx on integrating. So it becomes
Is equal
d equal to minus
x squared upon 2
x square by 2 plus x plus cx cube upon or plus c1, constant of integration. So that value of v and the value of v, that is e to the power x. So therefore complete solution of 1 y equal to uv, that is y equal to u e to the power x, and the value of v minus x square by 2 plus x plus cx cube upon 3 or plus c1. That is the required solution. So that is the solution of a linear differential equation of order 2 by known method. These are the two steps. First we find the value of u, then we find the value of v. U find by inspection and v find by this formula. So putting these values in this relation y equal to u and v, we get the complete solution.